So this is going to be about the mistakes which are made related to mewing and jawline exercises. And these are not mistakes which you would like to make. The first one is related to mewing, and it's a big mistake which you might make if you're a beginner, if you're just starting out with mewing, is that when you put the tongue on the roof of your mouth, you might not put pressure equally to all sides of on the roof of your mouth. I did that, and the result of that is that I put more pressure on the right side of my mouth and less on the left side. So the right side was developed a bit more than the left, and it doesn't make you look very good. Like, you look different from this side and different from that side. Now it's not that huge difference right now, because I fixed it, because I was aware that I gotta change this. This is a big mistake. You would not want to make this, right? It's gonna make you look terrible. You won't like this. I mean, right now I don't look bad because I fixed it, right? If you don't fix it, it's not gonna be very helpful. And obviously, alongside the way, you make mistakes. It's not like you won't make mistakes, but yeah, this is the first mistake. The second is that when you're starting with mewing, you're gonna be pushing the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth, right? And you're also gonna be pushing your front teeth from the back. And I did the same. I did know that you don't have to do it, but I was unaware that I'm actually doing it. I did that for like a couple of weeks, and it doesn't make your teeth look very good. Like, they're pushed to the front and they don't look very good. This is the second mistake. And the third one, I did talk about this in the last video, is that your posture has to be straight while you're doing mewing. Now, I understand most of us do not have a good posture these days. I had a terrible posture, right? And at that time, I tried to do mewing with a terrible posture, but I knew that it's not a good idea, so I wasn't able to do it that much. My posture is not the best right now, even. I am working on it, but it's not the best. But what I am not necessarily doing mewing right now. I am trying to, in a way, make it a habit, because it has not been a habit because I didn't do it continuously, right? And I mainly did hard mewing. And hard mewing, it relates to the first mistake. When you're doing hard mewing, you're probably gonna put more pressure on half side of your mouth, and it's gonna be either left or right, something like that. And you have to make sure that this does not happen, because if it does, it's not gonna make your face look very good. One side of your face is gonna be developed more than the other, and it doesn't look that good. It really doesn't. So yeah, these are the main mistakes which I made. I mean, I can talk about other mistakes too. I can just read on the internet, these are the mistakes that you're gonna make, but right now I can only tell you the mistakes which I made, because I know the consequences. I know if you make those mistakes, what's gonna happen. So it's better to talk about this, right? Let's talk about this. Talk about muscles. I'll make a video about that. I've not been exercising, but I'll make a video about that. So yeah, make sure you do not make these mistakes. Make sure you don't do it.